As some of you know, it is still locked down in my state. I am in quarantine because I'm in the high risk category. So, I can't leave the house. So, what better way to handle that than to shop online? So, I'm not going to say how much money I spent because that's a bad idea. Because my mom might see this video. She has already been nagging me about shopping online. I know, not supposed to be doing it. But I got some stuff delivered today. I actually have more coming Saturday. So I am going to unbox and see what I got from YRU. And I got one package from Dolls Kill. So we'll see what I get out of it. And I did buy two things, actually. I got the skirt, which I can't remember the name of. The Freak Number pleated skirt, which I love. I have been dying for this thing. Oh my gosh, you can never have enough pleated mini skirts, I'm telling you. There's no such thing as too many of those. If you look in my closet, you can tell I think that. Let's see. Oh, it even came with a chain and everything. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Okay, so it's got the cute design here, which I absolutely love. This said on the website it should come like a bit lower than most pleated skirts, so I'm hoping it won't hit my navel piercing. Because, yeah, that's a thing I have to worry about. Then I got chains on it. This is very nice fabric. I love it. Yes, this is perfect. So that will be in photos soon. And then this from Sugar Thrills. I don't know how to pronounce this. Dark La Fleur? It's a boob tube, okay? It's a fluffy boob tube. That's what it is. So yeah, I can't pronounce whatever that word is. But it's the black boob tube. It was on clearance. So, you know, why not? Oh boy. Here we go. So, yes. I don't know if these will exactly go... Well, they aren't that bad. They might go together. Feels like really nice. It's not going to be scratchy or anything. That's good. That's what I'm worried about. I hate it when they're scratchy like that. So, yeah. Bags everywhere. So, I got this cutie right here. So, it's one of those boob tube things. I'm sure my mother will hate it. Yeah, as per usual. She hates everything I wear. And then I got this adorable skirt, which chains. They go around the sides. It'll work when it's on me. But I like the attention to detail with this because it actually has frayed ends on it. I love that. So I will have to try these on, and you guys will definitely be seeing these soon. Okay. I went ahead and took off most of the packaging because y'all don't need to know my address. Gosh, they definitely packaged these very well. I think it's actually taped up under the lid. Wow. Jeez, why are you? Why do you box these so well? Okay. So, I am struggling. There we go. Oh, it's still taped up. Okay, it's fine. Now, for the review. And I did show a picture of these to my mom before I told her they were coming. I think y'all can imagine that reaction because these bad boys are amazing. Ooh, I love that has a bag. Boom. Look at that. These will definitely be used in my future Decora looks. Oh my gosh, I love it. Ooh, it's got a lot, like big treads. Like, I love the little alien heads. I am a big alien nerd. I love alien conspiracy theories. I love aliens and anything with an alien aesthetic. So these were right up my alley when I saw them. Yeah, it looks like they've got this typical kind of buckles. The buckles are similar to the Trinity boots from Demania. And definitely, these are so freaking shiny. But I don't even think the camera is doing it justice. Like, these are shiny. Oh my gosh, and I love the freaking rainbow pattern on them. And I love that they come in these little bags. These are so freaking well packaged. That is impressive. I love these. Oh my gosh. I am going to wear these as much as humanly possible. Same with the Trinities. Oh my gosh. It looks very well made. Ooh, and I love this. They have the little logo right there on the tongue of the shoe. Oh my gosh. Ooh, those are actual metal. I was expecting like plastic or something. This is the first time I've actually bought YRU shoes. And I am loving it. This is well made. Okay, I will definitely... It's got a zipper closure in the back. So I will definitely try these on for you guys. I kind of look ridiculous right now because it is K-Club Spirit Week. For the J-Fashion people will know what I'm talking about. But pretty much because the quarantine, we're all having a little Spirit Week to get our mood up. And today is Pajama Day. So that's why I am in my Care Bears onesie. So yes, normally I am much more put together with my Decora outfits. But it's Pajama Day. So I will actually, you know what, I'm going to try these on with the pajamas. Because you know what, I want to. I'm doing it. My little ring's coming apart. Yeah, I made this, the little octopus dude. He has a smile. I don't think he's showing up on camera though. So, I have my llama socks on. Okay. Zippers are always so difficult to undo the very first time you do them. I really hope these fit. I'm going to cry if they don't fit because I got them in my size. But like I said, I've never tried on YRU shoes. I'm going to have to take these off. So, I don't know what their sizing is like. I've been told it's very true to size. So, I'm hoping. Because this is weird, but up until I was 22 years old, I was a size 7. Out of nowhere, when I turned 22, suddenly hit a size 8. I don't know. So, that is very... It's annoying because none of my shoes fit anymore. And I have to buy an entire new shoe wardrobe. And I have some really nice shoes that I can't wear anymore. So, please fit, please fit, please fit. They fit. I love them. Oh my gosh, these fit perfectly. I'm definitely going to have to take a quick walk around to see how they feel when I'm walking. But the actual incline from like the ball of your foot to the heel is not that bad. So it's not that much of an incline. So that's nice. It'll be easier on my feet. Oh no, I forgot to put my rings back on. Yeah, no, they gotta come back off. The struggles of a Decora. Now I can put these back on. If I can remember what order I had them on. What? Nope. There we go. And yes, I do have some... Oh man, you can't see them. They're not showing up on camera, but that little yellow teddy bear right there, and this green teddy bear, and that blue one, I actually made myself. Oh. And my little octopus and the resin ring, those are mine. This one I actually bought at a convention. I wish I could remember that girl's business name. But these Barbie ones are my pinkies. Those are actually off the cupcakes from my 5th or 6th birthday party, and I still have them. So they have come in handy. My hoarding tendencies have come in handy. So yes, these are gorgeous. I am so excited. I have always wanted boots like these. So yes, you guys will definitely be seeing these on TikTok and Instagram. Okay, so I got the skirt, the boob tube top, it's such a weird name, and the glorious boots. So I am happy. I do have more coming on Friday or Saturday, so my mom's going to be mad when she gets home and sees that, but oh well. So I will make another video for that, and actually there's some makeup coming, so I might do a makeup review and a wig review because there is a wig in that too. I need to stop buying. So until then.
Feel me like a Hellcat.
Oh gosh, I can't get to the camera. Oh gosh, I should take off the bits first.